Hi everyone, and welcome back to the Latina budget. Yeah. Thank you everyone who has liked my videos, who have subscribed, who has comments below. Thank you all. I really do appreciate you. And in this video, we're going to do cash stuffing. Okay, let's start this video now. First, we're going to start by doing the change. And so I have this jar here that counts how much change I have. So let's bring in my wallet. Okay, so here's my wallet, and this is where I have my coins. So let me put it right here, and then let's start this. Okay, so we got $33.44, and we started with $30.70. So I'm super happy. Let's put that to the side, and then let's continue with my bag, with my wallet, so that I can take, those are my coupons in the back, so that I can take out the money that I didn't use this week. And I actually didn't use anything, so I gave myself $5, and I still have the $5, and I'm going to put these in the $1 savings challenge. So let me count this in silence so then we can all hear the sound of money. So that was $400. And let's start by unstuffing. I already did my wallet, but I'm also going to do the other categories, which I keep here. So let me put this here so that we know that it's for the $1 savings. And let's move this a little bit here. Okay, so for food, we have these extra dollars. And for the dogs, we have this extra dollars. For health, we have a few extra dollars. So my medication, some of them cost like $5, some of them $1. One of them even costs like 55 cents or something like that. So I don't think the other ones have anything, but let's just look really quickly. Okay, so let's count how many dollars we have. We're not going to count how many are there in total, but we're going to count how many dollars there are so that I can also say how many dollars I put in the savings $1 challenge in the Spanish version of this video. So let's count in silence. So I got $16. Let's put that in there. And let's put that to the side for right now. And then let's continue stuffing my binder. Okay, so these are usually the last ones that I stuff. Let's start with health. So health is going to get $5. So in there we have already a 5, so that's a $10. Toiletries is going to get $20. So there's 30, so now they have 50. Cart maintenance is going to get $10. So that's 10, 20, 40, 60, 80, 100. Yay, wow. Little by little, like this system has really worked so well for me. Like little by little, I'm adding in each of these envelopes and they're accumulating. Okay, so for gifts, we are going to put $10 and we have 30, so now we have 40. And then for landscaping, we're renovating in the backyard and that is going to get $40. So it's 100, 120, 40, 60, 80, 200, 220. And then storage is going to get $40 as well. And storage means I want to buy furniture that will store the stuff that I have laying around in this house. And so basically like shelves and things like that. So $40. So then we now have 100, 20, 40, 60, 80, 200, 20, 40, 60, 80, 300. Wow. That's crazy. We have $300 here. And that's great because we need to get some cubbies for clothing. So we're definitely gonna buy those furniture and that furniture as well. Okay, so bags are gonna get $5. That is, see, 20, 30, 40, 50, 55, 60, 65. So 65 bucks. And then wedding bands is going to get $20. So right now we have 100, 20, 40, 60, 80, 200, 20, 30, 40, 50, 55, 60, 65, 70. So $270. And then Christmas is going to get $50. Yes, finally. We are at the 50 level again. So let's count how much we have. That is 20, 40, 60, 80, 100, 20, 40, 60, 80, 200. I'm sorry. Let's see this count again. 20, 40, 60, 80, 100, 20, 40, 60, 80, 200, 10, 20, 30, 40, 240. I don't know why those $10 bills were really hard to count. So 240. And then vacation is going to get $5. So that is 10, 20, 30, 35, 40. Okay. Pet health is going to get $30. And this week is when we're supposed to be going to the doctors. We moved our appointment, and so then now, which is good because now we are just saving 100, 20, 40, 60, 70, 80. So we have $180 for that appointment. Just the appointment alone, I think, is $60. and then we need to do some blood work, and then he's also going to need some medication as well that we need to buy. So that's probably not going to cover it all. We're probably going to go into dogs and get a little bit of money from there as well. Okay, so dogs are going to get $60. And then there is already another 20 in here, so that's $80 in total. And then our food for this week, we're only going to get $40, and because we didn't do much last week, and so we get $40. We only bought like some eggs, some bread, and like something else. Okay, so that is 20, 40. That's 20, 40, 60, 80, 100, 120, 125. So that is all for this binder. I'm actually pretty excited because I'm thinking about getting another binder and starting a few other envelopes, which are going to be slow to start with, but I do want to start those envelopes. And then my wife today told me that she wanted to start her own envelope for a tattoo, so I'm so excited that she's joining on this journey. She's joining it. Okay. So let's put this to the side. And we have already done the savings. Let's do emergency and all of our other savings thing. Okay, so emergency is going to get $10. And so that is 20, 40, 60, 80, 100, 120, 130 for emergency. And then La Venta is going to get $20. So that's okay. 20, 40, 60, 80, 100, 120, 140, 160, $170. And then this is where I usually keep my money when I take it out from the bank. And then we rolled the dice. No, we didn't roll the dice. Okay, so now we gotta roll the dice for this one. And this is a savings challenge that I got from Lisa Grateful Me. And if you save all of these, and it should be $504. And she gave it to me for free. So let's see, let's roll the dice. So that is 6 and 8, and 6 and 3 is $9. And then let's roll one more time. And then $9 again, so that's $18. Okay. So let's see, $18. How are we gonna do this? We're gonna have no change for that. Okay, let's roll one more time. Oh, that's such a big one. Oh, no. Okay, let's roll one dice. Okay, let's roll one dice because so far we have $18 and we don't have enough change here. Okay. So $4 more, so that is $22. So we can put $22 in here. That is 22. Okay, and then this is the savings challenge that I have going on, and that is going to be just one little square of $10. You can find this on my Etsy account, and it says build your wealth one brick at a time, and then right here it says all small efforts matter and it makes the difference, because these are $10 squares and they're so much fun to color in. Okay, so let's color in purple. Oh, that's a really dark purple. And let's put the $10 in here. And then I didn't color these, so this was 22, so let's start with, this is 6, that should be 22. Let's put these guys back in here. And then that is pretty much it. We have $3 in here that is going to go to my wallet. I'm going to put that into my wallet right here. And that should be pretty much it. Okay, thank you everyone. Have a great day. Bye.